In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for AT&T Wireless. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up a web browser, head on over to Google, and now in the Google search bar, type in promo codes for AT&T Wireless, and then hit enter. And then from here, we're going to have different websites offering different promo codes. So we got couponfollow.com, retail me not, $10 off, Groupon, TechRadar, Groupon.com. So you can check out any one of these large third-party sites to get promo codes. But the one I like to use is called Coupon Follow. So let's go and have a look at their promo codes that they've got. So we're inside here. So we've got take $50 off our order. And you can check out more by scrolling down. So $500 off all orders. So if I want to activate any one of them, I just want to click onto them. And a good thing about this site, you can see previously listed promo codes. So I'll say previously featured offers and deals, and you can get a sense what they might offer in the future by having a suss of that. But say if we want to take $50 off our order, I'm going to click on AT&T promo code, take $50 off your order. And here's the code here. So we're going to copy this code, and then from there we're going to paste this code at the checkout section of AT&T Wireless to enjoy $50 off your order.